Here are 5 key points critical to a solid maintenance and cleaning program for carpet. Walk-off mats. If you keep the dirt out in the first place, it's easier to keep the facility clean. Vacuuming. It's the single most important step in carpet maintenance, so make sure it's done often and done correctly. Spot cleaning. Do it quickly and do it with the right products and procedures. If you do, be prepared to say goodbye to nagging spots forever. Interim maintenance. You can improve the appearance of your carpet using encapsulation technology. This may be new to you, but we'll explain more later. You will like this. Extraction. Deep cleaning, high-performance hot water extraction is the best cleaning procedure because it removes almost all stubborn types of spots and is the only way to remove deeply embedded soil. Finally, have a cleaning plan and follow it.